Hi there. Here's yummy y. 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 Ready to sing it?
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
Here are some words. Yogurt. Yes. Yell. Yucky. Yellow. You. Now, find the in the words. Ready? Python. Bicycle. Typhoon. Family. Sunny. Happy. Now let's write the y. It's a long letter. We start from the red broken line. We curve down to the blue, back up, and then we go down to the green broken line. One more time. Pink, down, up, and down to green. Again, red, down, up, and down to green. Okay, you do it yourself twice and say it. You go down, up, and down. Again, we go down, up, and down. Looking good. Now, we're done for today, and I will see you in the next letter. If you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay? Bye!